Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to copy Instagram profile links. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and open your profile, and here you'll get your profile name. So all you have to do is just note your profile name, and after that open a browser and type here instagram.com and give a slash and enter here your username here, and tap on done. And now you directly jump into your Instagram profile page, and all you have to do is just tap on this URL bar and tap on this copy icon, and your link will be copied. So that's how you can get Instagram profile link. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.